Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since we posted an update on the progress of my 1986 Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. What I've been up to lately is been collecting parts to upgrade the engine on the car. Currently still in the process of doing so. The goal is to up the horsepower on the car. Last time in the video with the dyno session, it was making about 420 horsepower to the wheels. The new motor, if everything goes well, should be in the 550 to 600 horsepower to the wheels. This will be a big part of that improvement. What I've got here is a new turbocharger. It's a Garrett G30-770 turbo. Go ahead and take a look and see what we got here. See what we got in the box. So I wound up purchasing it from Drift HQ. They seem to have the best prices right now on the turbochargers. Turbo comes well packaged. What I had to do is I had to buy a core, I guess that's what they call it, and a turbine housing. So this is the core. And this is the turbine housing. It's a 28-tube turbine housing. We'll go ahead and open it. So standard rotation, G30 series, V-band outlet, T3 inlet. That's kind of what it will work with my header, so that hopefully she'll fit. I gotta mock everything up. We'll open the packaging, see what this looks like. Packaged nicely. So I received several recommendations on selecting this upgrade. The turbo on the car currently is a G35-82R. Turbo is a good turbo. I've never really given me any issues with it. I've run synthetic motor oil through it. I've never had a hiccup, burn any oil. Good turbocharger and all. The only thing is spool up. So it's a little tad on the laggy side. This turbo should come on sooner, flow more air and be less restrictive. Should be responsive, and for the application that I'm looking to do, which is like HPD, High Performance Driver Education Track Days, this appeared to be one of the better choices. Let's see if we can get it out of the box. Put this to the side. Again, it's pretty well packaged. So the new engine is we're going up in displacement. It's going to be almost 2.7 liters. I'll get into the engine details in another video as I get closer to putting that together. Again, still assembling parts for it. Nice turbocharger, billet compressor, has a speed port. I think it's find out what the trim is. I think 57 millimeter. I think is the actual turbo itself, and then the turbine housing or the turbine itself. It's the new G30 wheel. Also has some of the features on this that I like. Hopefully it'll make it a little bit easier to service it if I have to take the turbo header off. It's got I guess a V-band clamp to position the turbocharger and actually remove it from the turbine section. It'll just help if I have to take the header off because it's a little bit tight between the block and the shock tower. So the other thing is that it comes with some fittings. It has the oil restrictor already built in. Another nice item is the coolant can be opposite sides, one side. You know, pretty much should be a definite upgrade of where I was. Again, really nice turbocharger. I believe it might be dimensionally a little smaller than the G35-82R, but I'll compare the two when I get it on the motor. Put that on just to protect the wheel. And go ahead and get the turbine section. See what this is. Nice part about this is stainless steel, so shouldn't corrode, shouldn't rust over, kind of look a little nasty in the engine bay. So there's the V-band clamps. That's the gasket for the header, the manifold, just depending on what you're running, and heavy. That's the turbine housing, again from Garrett, 0.83. I want a 0.83 housing, again, goal. Might not be ultimate horsepower or high-end horsepower, more going for responsiveness. Being that I use the car for HPDE days, coming out of the corner and accelerating and getting on boost is important to me. So the 0.83 housing should help with responsiveness on this turbocharger. But all in all, nice looking turbocharger, and looking forward to getting on the car. Hopefully this coming year. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Stay tuned. Have a lot of upgrades coming up for this coming year, and look forward to sharing with you guys. Thanks again.